aspiring digital banks challenged by a couple of things. First, it's really the people. So they start pretty much from ground zero, and I think it's important for them to find the right talents as they embark on the banking journey. With the people comes domain expertise and comes culture. The second one, which is very important, is about technology. It's about the scalability and it's about the flexibility in terms of supporting that kind of journey. A lot of the digital banks really don't have a lot of legacy. So with that comes a lot of competitive advantage. They can really tap on the advanced technology out there, which is cloud computing, which is around the concept of open banking, together with smart analytics and AI, to cater to those differentiated business models that they develop for, let's say, the underserved, for the SME segments and many others out there where they want to provide banking for. With data, what's very important for regulatory reporting is also to have a good data management and data governance and lineage, so that you not only use the data for regulatory reporting, but having a holistic approach to data can help you to maximize the return on the investment for the technology to cater for other reports like for finance and for risk. So you have a clear handle and can take with the advanced technology the right decisions as you navigate through a lot of change, and we can see change occurring during the current COVID-19 pandemic. I think that's where we saw a lot of appetite for cloud computing, and whether it's we deliver our leading software OneSumX on premise, and some of the digital banks still use it in the initial stage, but others chose cloud, whether that's a private cloud, whether that's a public cloud, which can help them in the long term as they want to scale out the operation. It's quite exciting to see all these pockets of digital banks, challenger banks or virtual banks popping up across the region. And not just in Asia Pacific, we have seen them in Europe too. So we have seen them in Australia, we have seen initially from Japan, Korea, we see reforms being introduced from other regulatory within Southeast Asia, whether it's currently with MAS as the applicants go through that applications processes, whether that's in the Philippines, in Malaysia, in Indonesia. So I think it's a fantastic opportunity to challenge status quo, especially also to reviewing from our perspective the technology footprint, both for the challenger banks who come in as well as for the digital banks. And it's good for the end consumer. I think it really drives the concept of open banking and be more customized and be more mindful about the solutions and products they provide for the end clients.